So today I'm talking about a Toyota with the P0141 code, what it is, and how you go about fixing it. So what is a Toyota P0141 code? Well, it's an O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction bank 1 sensor 2. And what does this mean? Well, there's sensors located on the exhaust that monitor how much oxygen has been burnt off after combustion, and the onboard computer uses this to adjust the air-fuel-gas ratio, and it's seen a problem with one of these, so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And bank 1 is always the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, so if you have a 4-cylinder, it wouldn't matter, but if you have a V6, then you want to find the number 1 cylinder, and that's the side that's having a problem. And sensor 2 will be the second sensor going down on the exhaust on that side. And some possible causes of this, well, it could be a bad sensor, it could be in the wiring like an open or short, and possibly a blown fuse. And so the first thing to do when you get this code is to go locate bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor. And there can be some differences. It's really going to depend on the year of the Toyota and the engine type and things like this. For example, here's a 2007 Camry with a 3.5 liter V6. And as you can see, bank 1 sensor 2 is right here, and it's located after the catalytic converter. And the basics of what's going on with these sensors is that you're going to have sensor 1, which is going to be before the catalytic converter. It's going to be called the upstream. And sensor 2, which is located after the catalytic converter, is going to be called the downstream sensor. And these are doing two things. Number 1, they're monitoring how much oxygen has been burnt off during combustion, and then the computer uses this information to adjust the air-fuel ratio. And then number 2, they have heater elements in there, so it's doing two things. But the one to go and locate is going to be the downstream bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor. And so after you locate the sensor, the next thing to do is to check out this wiring real good. Be sure there's no opens, cuts, anything like that. And basically just keep in mind that anything wrong with the wiring, bad connection, or anything going on is going to cause the same symptoms as a bad sensor. So keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that this is on a fuse. There'll be a fuse box inside the engine compartment. So for example, here's a 2012 Toyota Camry, and it would be fuse number 33. Here's an example of a 2005 Toyota Tacoma, and right here where it says AF heater, that would be the fuse for this particular Toyota. And this one also has a relay AF heater that if something went wrong would cause an issue. So those are all something to keep in mind. So if you check that out, there's nothing wrong with the wiring, there's no blown fuses or anything like that. Then very likely that O2 sensor has just failed and just needs to be replaced. You can test it if you want to. There's some good YouTube videos on that, but more than likely it has failed. One thing to keep in mind is that sometimes these require a special tool to get back on. Usually sensor 2 doesn't need that, since quite often it's out in the open and you can get on it with an open-end wrench or something along these lines. But sometimes they can be recessed down into the exhaust, so if they are, then you'll need this special tool to be able to get it back in and get around that wire. I'll put a link down below to show you what I'm talking about if you do need it. But basically go and look at it and be sure you got the right tools to get it out and get it back in around that wire. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to make a real quick video on how you go about fixing a Toyota with the P0141 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.